In this video, we'll see how to import the keyframes created by Camera Tracking Pro for iOS into Maya. I have Maya open here and I will drag the file created by Camera Tracking Pro for iOS into Maya. Okay, this is the camera. We can see here that we have two nodes, a parent one and the animated node. This parent one is needed if you want to reposition the camera without affecting the animation. I will select the animated node and we can see here the animation. We can see some discontinuities on the animation. See that this curve ends here and starts here on the next frame. This happens when angles are represented in Euler notation. We can see, for example, the rotation on X is fine, around Y is not fine. See, this part of the curve should be here, and this part of the curve should be here. So to fix that, we select the curve. We go to Curves menu and choose an option called Euler Filter. See that now the curve is fixed. Let's see the rotation on Z. Same problem. We select the curve, Curves, Euler Filter. And now we have the curve fixed. Translation on X, Y, and Z, we have no problem. The problem is only with rotations. We can now close the graph editor and see the movement. Now you can use this movement on your virtual camera inside Maya or transfer the curves to another object and create your own animations. This is how you work with Camera Tracking Pro for iOS and Maya. Camera Tracking Pro is available on the App Store.